Hello and welcome to the Custom Constructor YouTube channel. This is an awesome average workstation build for March of 2015. The motherboard for this build is the Asus Z97A. It is an ATX motherboard and features Intel's Z97 chipset. It also has the LGA 1150 sockets. It costs $138. The CPU for this build is the Intel Xeon E3-1226V3. It has 4 cores and is clocked at 3.3 GHz. The socket for this CPU is LGA 1150 and it costs $215. The graphics card for this build is the HP Quadro K600. It is clocked at 876 MHz and has 1 GB of RAM. It costs $178. The RAM for this build is 16 GB of Kingston Beast series RAM. It is DDR3 and clocked at 2400 MHz. Its CAS latency is 11 and it costs $145. Some storage for this build is the Western Digital Black Series hard drive. It has a capacity of 3 TB and 7200 RPM. It costs $156. The SSD for this build is the Kingston SSD Now V300. It has a capacity of 240 GB and is a 2.5-inch drive. It costs $90. The power supply for this build is the Corsair CX500M. It is a 500 watt power supply and is semi-modular. It is also 80+ Brown certified. It costs $50. The case for this build is the Corsair Graphite Series 230T. It is an ATX mid-tower case and has 4 3.5-inch bays. It costs $70. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe.